Solve the quadratic equation given below. The quantity of 9x plus 13 squared equals 49. Going to have to use Desmos eventually on this, but I have the problem already written down on my paper. X plus 13 squared equals 49. And the nice thing is that we can undo the squared. And the way that we undo the squared is we take the square root of both sides. And when we take the square root of both sides, what we end up with is when you take the square root of 49, we can go to Desmos, and which is going to be, you got to be able to see the button here. This button, that's the square root of 49. It gives us 7. The thing that we need to know ahead of time is not only is the answer to the square root of 49 7, but it's also negative 7. So we write that as plus or minus 7. Sorry, if you saw Admentum a couple minutes ago, and I probably didn't have up, but they were all fractions if I remember correctly. So what this becomes is, we've got 9x plus 13 equals positive 7, and 9x plus 13 equals negative 7. That's where we're going to get our two answers from both sides. We get 9x equals 7 minus 13 is negative 6, and you can still type that into Desmos if you need to. And then divide both sides by 9. So negative 6 divided by 9. And then you can button off to the side. Gives us negative 2/3 because that's the format that Edmentum has. We're going to do the same solving from both sides. We get 9x equals, by both sides by 9. And the thing is, negative 20 divided by, if you could see it though. So there you can see both of the answers. Again, we typed the first one into Desmos to get the negative 2/3. The negative 20 over 9 does not back up. We get negative 2/3, negative 29ths, which is the first answer. And the nice thing about Edmentum there is that we know it's going to be two answers.